friends, let's play a game. Look at these numbers, 15, 10, and 5. I want you to think of as many number sentences as you can, only by using those numbers. You can use either addition or subtraction. We can change the order of these numbers. How many number sentences were you able to make? Did you subtract or add or both? 15 minus 10 equals 5. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 10 equals 15, and 10 plus 5 equals 15. Did you think of all these sentences? Which ones did you miss? What do we notice? We can use the same three numbers to create 4 different number sentences involving addition and subtraction. These 3 numbers are called a number family because they are related. In this math module of Madrasati about number families, we will talk about the relationship between subtraction and addition and how this is applied in our daily lives. Look at this number sentence. Can you guess the missing number? What do I subtract from 17 to get 7 as an answer? How do we find the number? I know that if I add 10 to 7, the answer would be 17. So if I subtract 10 from 17, the answer would be 7. Did you notice what I did? I can subtract by adding in my head. Subtraction and addition are related. 10 plus 7 is 17. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 7 is 10, and 17 minus 10 is 7. What patterns do we see here? Notice that the answer in the addition sentence is the biggest number, 17. It's the total number of items, the sum. While in subtraction, I begin with the biggest number so that I can take away from it. Notice also that I can flip 10 and 7 in all the number sentences. Look at these 3 numbers. Can you write 4 number sentences using them? Let's subtract first. We should start with the biggest number, which is the total, 96. 96 minus 16 equals 80. Let us double check our answer. 16 is made from 10 and 6. So 96 minus 16 means 96 minus 10 minus 6. 96 minus 6 is 90, and 90 minus 10 is 80. Our first sentence is correct. How can we write it in a different way using subtraction? By flipping the 80 and 16. 96 minus 80 equals 16. Now let us write addition sentences. Both sentences end with 96, which is the total or the sum. Here's another subtraction sentence, missing a number. This time, I have placed a letter in the missing place. Y is the missing number. Can you guess what it is? It is the first number in a subtraction sentence. And by now we know that a subtraction sentence always begins with the total number, the sum. Let's subtract by adding in our heads. If we add 18 and 5, the answer would be 23. That's the sum. Y is 23. 23 minus 18 equals 5. This is a map that shows 3 different locations: the gym, my house, and the school. The total difference from the gym to my house to the school is 88 kilometers. What is the distance from my house to the school? We also know that the distance from the gym all the way to the school is 88 kilometers. This means Y plus 38 equals 88 kilometers. If we remove the 38 kilometers from the 88, the remaining would be the Y, the distance between my house and the school. Y plus 38 equals 88. Let's subtract. We begin with the biggest number. 88 minus 38 is y. What's 88 minus 38? 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. The distance from my house to the school is 50 kilometers. 38 and 50 make the total distance 88 kilometers. Let's add a supermarket to our map. This is more complex than the previous one. We also need to find the y, which is the distance from the school to the supermarket. What do we know? Let's read what's in the map together. First, the total distance from the school to my house is 50 kilometers. We also know that there are 82 kilometers from my house to the school and then to the supermarket. So, how many kilometers should one travel from the school to the supermarket? Can you try writing two number sentences that would lead us to the answer? We can use either addition or subtraction. Let's subtract. Y equals 82 minus 50. 82 minus 50 is 32 kilometers. Y is 32. The distance from the school to the supermarket is 32 kilometers. Are you ready now for a challenge? This is another map that includes a beach resort, a museum, a hotel, and a garden. You need to find the y and the x, the distance from the beach resort to the museum, and from the museum to the garden. In this lesson, my friends, we saw how addition and subtraction are very much related. I am going to give you more time to think of this challenge. Write your answer in the comment section of this video. See you next time. Bye.
لمشاهدة المزيد من الحلقات زوروا سات7 بلس.